Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful jewelry box out of cardboard. You can also use this box to store your stationery or to organize your makeup. So let's see how I transformed a regular carton into this beautiful jewelry box. These are the materials required. You'll also need any old cloth and few paints. The extra cardboard pieces will be used to make sections inside the box. Now I'm cutting the excess and placing it inside the board to see if it fits the size. Now I'll be cutting 3 more pieces to make more sections. You can place these cardboard pieces in whichever pattern you want. This is the pattern I'm going with. Now I'll be covering all the cardboard pieces with white sheet. You can also paint it directly, or you can also cover it with old fabric. After covering all the pieces and the inner walls with white sheet, I'm moving forward and painting the base and the lid with acrylic paint. I did not really like how the white paper was looking, so I decided to cut a piece of fabric and cover it up using a fabric glue. I'm using the same fabric to cover the outsides of the carton box. If you want, you can use any other fabric of contrasting color to make it look better. This is the passage to insert the flaps while closing the lid of the box. Make sure you leave this space open or you won't be able to close the box completely. Now to cover it neatly, apply glue and stick it inside using plastic knife or a scale. This is how the box will look after you finish covering all the sides. Now let's cover the lid. For the lid you can't use small pieces, you need a wide fabric that is going to cover the entire lid in one go. This is going to be easy because this is more like covering your class notebooks. Applying the same glue and folding the excess inside. While folding the excess inside, make sure to double fold it. This is going to give it a very good finished look. To decorate the lid, I'll be using these thin strips of fabric that I've cut from an old kurti and sticking them onto the lid. I've also painted these inner sections with black color. Now I'll be sticking these sections inside the box. I'm painting the flaps with color because covering it with fabric is going to make it too bulky for the closure. This step is optional, but you'll find mirrors of this kind in any of your old purses. I've taken out mine from an old makeup bag. I'm cutting the cover of this mirror and sticking it onto the inside of the lid. Now with the help of a paintbrush and acrylic paints, I'll be painting this little design around the mirror. Painting around the mirror just makes it look prettier. So this is the final look of the jewelry box. I really liked the way it turned out. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.